All right, happy Tuesday, guys. Welcome back to another video. So we have to go over the stock market today. Some news we got this morning that's sending the stock market higher. Finally, for the first time, it feels like in forever, but it's been a couple of days since we've had a green day. So we have to cover the news we got, the markets, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and stocks I'm watching right now. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your stocks from Moomoo. It's literally free money, guys. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guess what, guys? If you don't like the platform, you can take out all the money you deposited and you keep all the free stock. So use that link down below, or again, simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers, guys. Let's get into it. So it's about 10:45, almost 11 a.m. here on the East Coast, and we have every index for the first time, and I can't remember how long. It hasn't been that long, but for the first time, every index is in the green here in a couple days at least, right? We have the S&P up around 0.25%, Dow's up around 0.5%. Dow's having another nice day. I think yesterday we had 0.5% green day as well, so the Dow's looking pretty good. S&P's up 0.25%. Russell's up 1.1%, and we have QQQ not up much, but it is up 0.1% as the VIX is dying down a bit, down over 3%. It was over 20 points. Now the VIX is back under 20. We're at 1865 on the day right now, and we'll see how that plays out. We'll monitor it. But overall, guys, SPY fell through this support yesterday. You guys remember that. We covered that in my update, right? We talked about this descending triangle. We fell through the support at about 580 for a little bit momentarily. We got the 575, but now we've recovered. It's trading at 582, and earlier in the pre-market, guys, we were at 586. So the fact that SPY recovered back over that 578, 580 support, that's a very good sign in the short term. And on QQQ here, guys, we can see this fell through the support, right? We fell through 508, got down to about 500, and we rebounded over 510 this morning, guys, although now we're back under 508. We're at 505. The fact that we broke above it earlier today, that's a good initial step that, hey, maybe the bulls are back in the short term, and maybe QQQ, maybe the bulls are going to break over 510, 515. We saw an initial sign of that this morning. Now we just have to be patient and see, how it plays out throughout today, throughout the rest, of the week. So let me show you guys what we got today. We got the PPI data, and tomorrow morning we're getting CPI data. The CPI, PPI, two very important, metrics you guys got to watch out for pretty much every month, right? You got to watch out for them. So core PPI, we can see, if I zoom in a little bit, this is the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. So that came in at 0, flat, right? And the forecast was 0.2%. So that came in under the forecast there. And for PPI, that came in at 0.2. So including food and energy, it came in at 0.2% on the monthly number. The forecast was 0.4%. So you guys can see here, wholesale prices rose less than expected in December, and coming down here a little bit more, we can see on an annual basis, headline PPI rose 3.3% for the full year, well ahead of the 1.1% increase in 2023, and goods prices increased 0.6%, pushed by a 9.7% surge in gasoline prices, and upward moves in several food and energy related measures were offset by a 14.7% slide in prices for fresh and dry vegetables, right? So let's come down here a little bit more. On the services side, prices were flat despite a 7.2% increase in passenger transportation. That was offset by a fall in prices for traveler accommodation. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, that is, we're not going to go too deep into it, but that is what is causing the markets to run today, right? Inflation watch, again, wholesale prices rose less than expected. And tomorrow, CPI, which is what the market really cares more about, that's going to be what everybody's focusing on. And of course, we're going to break that down tomorrow morning, guys. So make sure to subscribe here on the YouTube channel. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. I think there's a chance we hit it by the end of this month. It's a bit of a lofty goal there, but I think we can do it. So make sure to subscribe, guys, on this channel and my second channel, Stas Surfes. At Stas Talks Money is the @ if you guys want to go look it up on YouTube. We're almost at 1,000 subs on this channel. Started it a couple of weeks ago or months ago at this point, and we're covering personal finance content, reaction type videos to just crazy TikToks and Reels just across social media. I'm seeing, this lady right here dropped 40 grand at Coachella, so we reacted to that. And, we cover topics like Americans can't stop spending money, car payments are getting crazy, how how people are just full of bad financial decisions, the housing market, debt. We cover everything personal finance related, a different type of content than you're seeing here. So if you guys are interested and you want to get that channel or help me get the channel to 1,000 subs and enjoy some different kind of content, it's down below in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. Make sure you guys go subscribe to that second channel, Stas Surfes, or at Stas Talks Money here on YouTube. You guys will find me on there. So yeah, that's a quick rundown on PPI, quick little rundown here on the markets, the indexes. And for me, guys, look, I've been buying, handful of stocks, 1 or 2 ETFs so far here in 2025, as we have been taking a beating so far this year. And honestly, to wrap up last year, we started selling off. So I've been buying VTI like I always do, right? This is a stock market ETF, a total U.S. stock market ETF. So I've been buying more of this. I added more XLE here in 2025, which is an energy ETF. This dipped all the way down to $82. And like I expected, we're recovering. Now we're at $90. I bought up the dip here a little bit, added more to my position. Other stocks I'm buying, I bought more NVIDIA this year, guys, a little bit, nothing too crazy. Added more to my position in the low 130s a bit. And we're going to see how this does this year. I think NVIDIA will do very well this year. I think this dip will get bought up before the next time they report earnings. I think the stock's going to do very well after the earnings report. I could be wrong. We'll see. But I've been buying more NVIDIA, and I'm trying to think, what else have I bought more of? Oh, AMD. I bought some more AMD, which I've been buying now for about 6 to 8 months. I forget exactly where I started buying or what month I started buying, but it's been months now for sure. AMD, adding more to it this year for sure here, guys, as it is getting squashed. And I'm eyeing up other names that I haven't bought yet. Adobe's one I'm eyeing up closely. If this thing dips into the 300s, I'll be buying Adobe for sure, starting a position there. I'm trying to think, what else? Did I buy more CrowdStrike this year? I don't think so. I don't think I bought more CrowdStrike this year, but if it does slip lower 300s, potentially, maybe under 300, I'll definitely buy some more CrowdStrike this year. But pretty much that's been it in terms of what I've been buying. Nothing too crazy so far, just kind of adding existing positions or adding to existing positions that I'm already in. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys have been doing. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very curious. And let me see quickly here on my watch list some stocks that are moving. We have JD.com creeping up 4.3%. I think there could be another rally in store for JD, guys. I don't know. I mean, this thing has been holding support at about $34 for weeks at this point. That was the high back in May, so we're holding that as support. Now all we have to do is break out of this descending triangle. That's what it is. I mean, it is a bearish pattern, but if we're able to break out of 35, start to push out of here, this could start moving, man. It could start breaking out again, which is kind of what I'm waiting for here. So I'm going to set my alert at $36 on JD, and I'm not looking to buy this as a long-term investment. I'm not the biggest fan of buying Chinese stocks directly at this point. You know, I've owned some in the past, but I don't want to deal with them anymore. But as a trade, for sure, I would consider it if it breaks $36. Looks like CRM is creeping up as well today, 2.6%. This looks pretty good on the charts, guys. My alerts are set at 330 and 340. If we're able to get out of there and start to break back over these moving averages on the 4-hour chart, this could start to break out again. Mid-high 300s could come easily in my personal opinion. So we'll wrap it up there, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel at Stas Talks Money or Stas Surfez. It's linked right down below in the comment section, also in the description box. And don't forget to get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on that link, use it, it's down below, or go to StasSurfez.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers, I'll catch you guys in the next video.